we have to make sure that we stay true to our core group of customers. We try and build our equipment so it's customized for them and that it suits them for now and for the future so that they can grow into their machines.
We try to be on the cutting edge of new crops and mechanization. A lot of the equipment that we make can be modified for a number of different crops. So pretty much any of the root vegetable crops. And then we also build equipment for the fruit grading and packaging.
All of the stuff that we do is custom to that specific farmer. So we have to, take their input very seriously, have a lot of back and forth conversations with them.
And if you can get proper equipment that's working right, you can reduce your labor, which reduces the headaches for the customer and just makes their life a little easier and hopefully puts a little bit of extra money in their pocket at the end of the day.
There's a lot of companies out there now that are very, if it lasts 2 years, we're happy. Ours are generations sometimes, like they go into the 3rd and 4th generation of harvesters.
If you can't find it anywhere else, come to us. We'll either try to source it from somebody that's already doing a lot of that, or if we can't find that, then we'll design it from ground up.
They don't need to break their back out there every day. We find them equipment at a decent price that's going to work for them.